Hey, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute living room with a couple of household items that you may have. And I'm going to be adding a couple more things around so it just won't look like this. So let's get started. Okay, you're going to need a hardwood ground or a carpet, doesn't really matter. You're going to need a wall. So I have this little blanket that I don't really use. I would use it for my dolls, for picnics and stuff like that, but I don't really use it that much. So you can use this as a blanket or a rug. If you have a little rug or a blanket that you don't really want or use anymore, you can use it for your dolls. So I'm going to be using this one for the bottom of the room that I'm going to be making. By the way, this is like sort of you can make this a living room or like a trundle bed or something. So yeah. What you're going to need is a big shoebox. This isn't my biggest shoebox I have, but this is a pretty big one. So yeah, what you're going to do for it, you're going to flip it over. You can put it in the middle, the corner, whatever you want. I'm going to put it right in this corner. And then you're going to take this, you're going to put it like so. Next, I made this little pillow that my sister gave. Well, I didn't make it, but my sister made it. And you can just find these easily. You can find the fabric really easily, stuff like that. I added on this little pillow since I thought it would look a little more cute. So next you're going to need a t-shirt. We're not going to be cutting anything, no, nothing like that. So let me show you how to put it on here. But you can do it, you can just literally place it like this and it will look like a bed. You can just cut it out and shop. But I'm going to be doing something a little different. Take the shirt and put the big side inside here. Let me do that. When you do that, you can tuck it in under for the extra ceiling, and it will look just like a bed. Do that. You can change the pillows also, like change the colors, anything like that. I think you actually can make, but these are the actual ones, mini Squishville. They're perfect size for your American Girls, and you can just place them all around, which are really cute for an idea for your bed. Dolls. If you have Squishville, this would look adorable on your beds, but if you don't, you can just make little ones like a little pillow or just anything like that. I'm just gonna add a few more finishing touches and I'll be done. Okay, you guys, so this is the final room and I love it so much. It has this great little bed that you can use. I added a few of these finishing touches, but now I'm going to show you what it's going to look like for your actual American Girl. Here's what your doll would look like next to the bed in the little bedroom. She's a little tall for it. Yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.